Good afternoon and welcome to today's video. Right now, as you can see, we're in the nature. What we're here to do today is listen to some music and sort of catch some of the late afternoon sun. But more importantly, what we're here to do is we're here to clean the barbecue grill. If you may have seen in the last two videos that I have, I've been doing like a lot of grilling outside, a lot of cooking on the grill, but I haven't been doing a lot of cleaning on the grill. Now, the issue that I'm having with my grill is the burners, right? They have a flame, which is good, but the size of the flame since probably the second or third time that I'd used my grill has gradually gotten smaller, and it's just been getting more difficult for me to cook the foods that I want to cook on the grill as fast as I was cooking them before. I've been cooking on the grill with the knobs turned all the way high. So right here, if you look, right, I usually have these knobs turned all the way like that. Now, for like the last 4 or 5 times that I've cooked, I've had to turn the grills all the way up to here, all the way across. I don't use the range. It's a little bit dusty. What we're going to do is we're going to clean this grill. There's 2 pieces, right? Like I brush this thing like every single time I'm done. I don't use the top racks as much. Gonna get cracking on this grill. Got to take it apart. So first things first, what we want to do is we want to take these grills off. 2 pieces. So we got 2. Off to the kitchen we go. So you can see the backs of these is pretty bad, and that's pretty much what I want to clean with the sink. So we're going to try and soften this up with some hot water and stuff. You know, try to at least get some of the solids off of here. And we got our old reliable Brillo pads. Brillo pads. These are brand. This is a fresh one. Obviously, I'm not going to reuse them. All right. Bottoms of them. For now, they look pretty darn good. You know, I'm just going to continue cleaning these with soap and sponge. Yeah, I'm realizing I totally could have done this on the grill with the brush. But since I'm here, I'm just gonna do the thing. Alright. It's nicey nice. Next thing is we're gonna take this top grill and we're just gonna clean this up. Flavorizer bars. First, we're going to clean it with the brushes. Off to the sink we go. Good, because I'm good and today is good, God is good. Alright, let's take the cover off this bad boy. Ta-da! Nice. I was able to take these knobs off and get them all nicey nice. Scrub this down a little. Wipe the sides. More importantly, got the grill looking nice, real nice compared to how it was before. Yuck. You can even see the shine on the grill tray, the grease tray down there, and the grease traps fresh. You know, I got new liner in there. I actually put new liner, just aluminum foil, not like an actual tray. I don't have anything like that. But for the most part, the grill is clean. I'm going to try and keep it clean because I'm going to be using grill mats today. It's a new thing. Turn the valve on. Close this. Open. Open. So we got 1, 2, 3, Whew, we got a super duper flame in there. Goodness. Okay, 325, and then we're gonna pop these on. It should be coming up quick. Let me just show you. Right now, it's already up to almost 300. So once I get this up to like the little past 300, like 350, and then I'll try and lower the flame and stuff. And you can see the chickens. You know, the chickens are just ready to go. Chickens. First up, you. One. That's the chicken I got right there. All of them seasonings. About to be yummy action up in here, yo. Or maybe this one. So exciting. I'm really just loading this up as much as I can, to be honest with you. And I thought there were supposed to be thunderstorms. Oh yeah. This is what we got going on. We literally have like almost 21 wings, 21 wings on the grill, all seasoned up, all ready. Covered. We got the grill out here. Spent pretty much the whole night prepping like 21 pieces of chicken for the week, right? I only got 2 left here, and guess where the other be at? Bam! Oh man, we're not playing around out here. Well, I got the good old ingredients over there waiting for barbecue sauce, but there will be no barbecue sauce glaze going over these wings, because man, I want to cry just looking at this shit right here. I just want to cry over this, man. It's like, it's not the first time I grilled chicken on a grill, but I haven't had a grill that's been able to be so hot in such a long time. I don't know what to do now. I have chicken. At least the chicken is seasoned. It's not like it's just plain cooked chicken. They're all seasoned. You know, they all got ABC sauce. All the ingredients you saw over there, minus the ketchup, of course. Paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, chili powder, black pepper. But they just look burnt. And I'm just regardless of that chicken being burnt, I'll tell you, it just made it worth it. It's delicious. Don't think I forgot. Homemade barbecue sauce, yo. We got this stuff on deck. Check it out. Well, if you made it this far into the video, thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and hit that like button. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. If you want to see some more, hit subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.